Let's talk about being cringe online. You know what I've noticed? The women that really succeed online, they are usually a little bit cringe. They dream big, they work hard, and yes, their friends probably think they are cringe too. But here's the thing, I've learned to love being cringe, and today I'm gonna tell you why. If you are watching this video, you probably thought about making money online or selling digital products, but when it comes to actually getting the products marketed and showing up online, that fear creeps in, right? You start worrying about what other people will think, if they are gonna judge you, if they are gonna call you a wannabe influencer. Maybe you are afraid of failing in public, of trying too hard and not getting anywhere. Or you are just afraid of people just demotivating you, saying that this is a waste of time, that it doesn't work. I totally get it because I've been in this exact situation. I really wanted to make money online and work from home and have location, time freedom, all the things. But I knew that I had to overcome this fear of showing up online if I really wanted to do this. When I first started, I was so scared of people judging me that I would not do any marketing at all. I would not show my face. I would not tell anyone about my shop apart from my husband. And I would just pray and hope that someone would find my products and buy them. And that was clearly not working as I expected. So let's talk about the alternative. So that's the math. You work, let's say 40 hours a week, 52 weeks a year, minus some vacation if you are lucky. And yes, that was the only option for our parents. But we are now living in a totally different era. We have this incredible opportunity to package our knowledge, our experiences, everything we've learned into a digital product that can actually help other people, and we can get paid for it from home. Back in 2022, that's when I launched my first digital product. And even though I spent weeks creating this amazing digital product, I customized it, I had so much fun making it. When I launched it, I made no sales for months. And I realized that yes, I needed to learn how to market my products if I didn't want to be a flopped shop. So a few months later, I was already making a few sales here and there, but I decided to start my TikTok account. And the way that I've done that is a little bit funny because I didn't want any of my friends, family, co-workers, anyone to know about this shop. So I actually blocked all my contacts. And that's what allowed me to just express my creativity, to explore and experiment without having to think about what other people were thinking, and I could just focus on experimenting and learning. And that's a great thing about starting from scratch because no one's gonna see your mistakes. My videos in the beginning, they were awful. They were really bad lighting, completely faceless, no authenticity, just like bland. No one would stop to watch my videos. Yes, they are cringe, but guess what happened? On December 10th of 2022, I'll never forget that day because I was just finishing a 12-hour shift in the hospital and my phone was blowing up with notifications. And when I checked, it was so many sales. It was actually the first time that I made over 100 sales in one day. And that was because one of my silly videos, it was only like 7-second video, went viral, and that video blew up my website. And I'm not the only one. I actually have a student as well that English is not her first language. I remember when she joined the academy, we did a one-to-one call and she was so afraid of marketing herself, of showing up online. She was already making a few sales here and there, but nothing consistent. And she started her TikTok account the same way that I did, completely faceless. She was just showing her products, her digital products, her templates. And she sent me a message these days. She actually went on holiday for over a month, and even though she was not working on the business, she kept getting consistent sales because of her old videos that she posted. Now she's even leveling up. She's building her customer journey, so it's not just about templates or low ticket offers. She's actually creating her own program. But here's what I truly believe. is that freedom is not granted to you. I really believe that freedom is your birthright, but as it grew up, these walls were built and making us feel small, making us feel stuck, and making us feel that we are not good enough, that we have to prove ourselves. Our jobs as adults now is to break through these walls and actually build a mindset that's gonna help us and reclaim the freedom that is already ours. One of the most powerful things that I've done to really change my mindset and really break through these walls is to go to networking events and connect with like-minded people, because this is how you show your brain that this thing that you are working on actually works. Because I don't know about you, but in my circle, I am the only one that works online and that has an online business. Everyone else is just working normal jobs. So how do you expect your brain to stay consistent to actually build this business if you don't believe it's possible for you? When you go to events, you get to meet all the people that are doing all those things. They are doing the same thing as you are doing. I went to a live event in Lisbon and it was amazing for me. It was crazy to see so many women growing online businesses, and I saw like women that have huge teams. They have like physical businesses, they have like so many things going on. I met one of my business mentors. I met other people, like we actually became friends and we do like networking calls. But this only shows to your brain that yes, it's possible. Look at how many people are doing this. Look at how many people are doing this full time for years. And that's the fastest way to change your mindset, is by changing your environment. And one of the reasons why most digital products fail is not because the product is not good or because you don't know the strategy or the funnel or whatever. It's because of your mindset. Your mindset is gonna block your actions and it's gonna block your results. So if you can work on your mindset, that's one of the most important work that you're gonna do in order to be able to consistently post content, help other people, serve your audience, grow your business, and do all these things. Your mindset needs to be aligned with that, because if you have beliefs that it's not possible for you, that this is a waste of time, that this is too saturated, or that you are not good enough, and all those things, it's not going to happen. Because the fear is what stops most people from succeeding online. It's not the strategy, it's not the funnel, it's not the knowledge. So what if you start practicing self-love and acceptance in your business? So I invite you to grab a journal and understand, what are you really scared of? Why are you not posting content? What is the worst thing that can happen that it really freaks you out? Write down every single thing, then write down what is the best thing that can come out of it. If you post content, if you learn new things, if you learn new skills. And what if today you started acting as the biggest influencer, most excited influencer, but for your business? You know, when you buy something that you are so excited about, oh my God, this is amazing. For example, this iPod, my husband gave me this iPod. But let's say this is something that you're so excited about, you want to tell all your friends, you can put your music inside. This is amazing. What if you could do that, but for your business, for your products? Imagine the impact that was going to make, not just on you, but on other people. And what if you posted that video and you just feel proud of yourself no matter what, no matter the results, no matter if you get likes, if someone criticize, if someone comments or not, just feel proud of yourself just by doing the action. This is how you show your brain that it's actually safe to create content and that you are just like focusing on helping someone. If this video can help one person, my job is done. That's the whole goal. And we are so lucky to be living on this era, because we have AI, we have a phone, we have internet, we have like all the resources we need. We just don't have the mindset to take action. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need to pay $10,000 for a business mentor. You just need to sit down, press record, and share your message. That's it. And you can start right now. There's someone around the world that really needs what you have. There is still so much space, but you have to put your fear aside. Your knowledge, your experience, your unique perspectives, this is your unique source. But people won't know unless you tell them. This is the time to launch a new identity, a new version of yourself, and start acting as her. What does she do when she wakes up? What type of content does she create? How does she show up online? And if you have absolutely no idea where to start, I've created a quiz for you to help you identify what is your creator archetype. That's going to give you what is the best platform for you to start based on some personality traits and based on your goals. That's going to help you identify the platform, the type of content, the format that is authentic to you. This isn't about just copying other people in what's working for them. It's about finding what feels good for you. I'll leave this quiz linked in the description so you can take it right now and share in the comments what was the result. Let's turn that fear of being cringe into your superpower, because at the end of the day, no one really cares about you as much as you think they do. So just do whatever the heck you want. If you have a Notion template ready to sell but you have no idea what to do, go and watch this video next, because there I will show you exactly what you need to do to launch your template in the Notion marketplace and what you need to do next to make sure you get your first sales.